Hey there, welcome back to my channel, where I bring you the latest and most comfortable gear for your cycling adventures. In today's video, we'll be exploring the world of cycling shoes. Whether you're a casual cyclist or a hardcore enthusiast, you're in the right place. I've handpicked the top 5 cycling shoes for 2023 that offer performance, comfort, and style. Links to all the cycling shoes mentioned can be found in the description below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on the best cycling gear for your epic rides. Let's pedal in style and comfort with these top-notch cycling shoes. Starting at number 5, ZIXLED cycling shoes. The ZIXLED cycling shoes are a practical and versatile choice for cyclists seeking functionality and style. With a PU upper and a cotton fabric lining, these shoes provide a comfortable fit and breathability for various riding conditions. The nylon outsole offers good traction and durability, ensuring stability during rides. The elastic band closure provides a secure fit. The shoes are available in multiple colors and sizes, catering to different preferences and needs. Given their comfortable fit, breathability, and anti-slip properties, the ZIXLED cycling shoes are suitable for both men and women cyclists, making them a practical choice for daily rides or weekend adventures. At number 4, Anpot cycling shoes. The Anpot cycling shoes are designed for cyclists who prioritize performance and comfort. With a genuine leather upper and cotton fabric lining, these shoes provide a soft and comfortable fit for long rides. The carbon fiber outsole is rigid and efficient in power transfer, allowing for excellent pedaling efficiency and reducing energy loss. The EVA insole adds cushioning for added comfort. These shoes are available in various sizes and colors, offering a wide range of options for potential buyers. The Anpot cycling shoes are a reliable choice for cyclists seeking high-quality footwear with excellent breathability, non-slip properties, and a comfortable fit, making them ideal for both mountain biking and road cycling. At number 3, Adult 2088 cycling shoes. The Adult 2088 cycling shoes are a versatile option suitable for both men and women. These cycling shoes feature a PU upper with a breathable lining, ensuring comfort and ventilation during rides. The rubber outsole offers good traction and grip, making them suitable for various sports like cycling, hiking, and running. The shoes come in a range of sizes and attractive color combinations, catering to different style preferences. They fit true to size, allowing for a comfortable fit for most users. Given their versatility and gender-inclusive design, the Adult 2088 cycling shoes are an excellent choice for individuals seeking multi-sport footwear that performs well in different activities. At number 2, Derivi DUMS 001 cycling shoes. The Derivi DUMS 001 cycling shoes are designed for cyclists looking for a snug fit and excellent breathability. The synthetic leather upper features laser perforation holes, promoting airflow and reducing heat buildup during rides. These shoes are compatible with sped cleats, making them suitable for mountain biking and road cycling. The rubber outsole offers good grip and traction on various surfaces. The hook and loop closure and a top button system allow for precise adjustment, ensuring a secure fit. However, potential buyers should be aware that these shoes run smaller than usual, and it's recommended to check the sizing info before purchase. With its excellent breathability and comfortable fit, the Derivi DUMS 001 cycling shoes are a solid choice for cyclists seeking high-performance footwear for both casual rides and competitive races. At number 1, Santix 21031 cycling shoes. The Santix 21031 cycling shoes are a reliable choice for cyclists seeking comfort and performance on the road. These shoes feature a PU upper and a breathable lining, ensuring adequate airflow during long rides. The elastic band closure provides a secure fit, preventing foot slippage while pedaling. The carbon fiber outsole is rigid and efficient in power transfer, enhancing pedaling efficiency. This makes the shoes suitable for mountain biking as well. The T-par insole adds cushioning for comfort during extended rides. Potential buyers should note that the shoes fit true to size, providing an accurate fit for most users. However, those with wider feet may find them a bit narrow. Overall, the Santix 21,000 and 31 cycling shoes are a great option for cyclists seeking reliable and breathable footwear for various riding disciplines, whether on the road or on the trails.